Hello everyone. In this video we'll discuss about the Power Query Editor and how to transform the given data set. So let's start here. So first go to the Get Data, Excel workbook. Now this is my data Superstore final here. Now here go to the transform data here. Now we can see here untitled Power Query it was showing. Again it is showing untitled Power Query Editor means we are in the Power Query Editor. So now first come to the orders here. Here we can see row ID, each column name, then valid data 100%, 0%, 0%, error empty, like that. Each column have the like that means a valid 100% valid data. Now, now come to the people. Here we have the column 1, column 2. And this is the person name, region. After that, there is a person, 4 person name like Anna, Cho, Kelly, Cassandra, there and their region here. But if we see here, there is no header here. So what we'll do, we'll make the header here. To make the header here, this is the option, use first row as a header. Now click on here, use first row as a header. Now see the changes here. Instead of column 1 and column 2, person and region name become the header here. Since we have done the changes here, so we can see those changes applied in the applied steps here, like change type here. If we want to reverse the changes here, simply delete this one. Then promoted headers. Yes. Again it become column 1, column 2. Now again go to here, prompted, see here the changes here. Promoted headers, change type. Use first row as a header. Now come to the returns here. Again also column 1, column 2, returned order ID here. So we'll do the same thing. Use first row as a header, see the changes here. Promoted header, change type 1 here. To reverse those things, just click here. Again column 1, column 2, we'll do the same thing here. Use first row as a header. Now we'll see what are the changes we can do here. If required in the Power Query Editor, we can clean the data. So many times it happens that here it's a clean data, very much clean data. But many times happen that okay, table don't have the junk, table might have junk value. It may contain duplicate, it may contain some blank. So we have to take care of all those things in the while cleaning the data here. And sometimes we need to clean means change the data type also. So just take an example here. This is just take the profit here. It is we are showing number like 41.9136 like decimal 3 4 places. If what we can change it. Change type whole number. Yes, we have decimal have been changed. Now it become 42 227 minus 383. If you want, we can reverse those things. Again, see the changes here 41.91 and also if you want, we can make round up down. So just do the rounding here. Decimal 2 places. So here all the now all the value is up to decimal 2 places here. If you want, we can make this cells also. We have up to decimal 3 places. round, change type, or transform round. So here this time we want decimal one places. Now see, we can say rounded up one. We can see those things here. All the cells value are showing up to decimal one place here. Like that we can see so many changes here if required. Now since we have done the changes, we have made the header here. Now close and apply here. Click here. We can see here option close and apply, apply close here. After making changes, we will do the close and apply. Now data are getting loaded here. It takes time based on the size of the data here. So after transformation data, we can see here. Suppose we go to the people. Here we can see the person region. So come here, we can see the data view here. Click here, see the person region. After the returns, return order ID. Click on the orders. We can see all those things. Since we have done those changes, so we can see sales up to decimal 1, profit up to decimal 2 places here. So whatever changes we will do here, means we will do, we can see those changes here. So this is all about the Power Query Editor. Now I'll give one more nice example on this Power Query Editor, how to clean the data.